All right, this is helping with number 12 from 11.3. And we want to find the probability of each. I would really recommend writing out like all the possibilities. All right, and then like 3 or odd, I would just go through, and I know there's a formula we did in class for an odd one, which you can do, but I would just do like, here's the 3, and then any other ones that are odd. This one's odd, this one's odd. Right, so the chances it's 3 or odd would be those 3 out of 6 total. So you'd have 1/2, 3/6, or 1/2. Then if I do even or less than 4, I would do kind of the same approach. So I would just get all of my ones that are even. So here's my even ones. And then the ones that are less than 4 that I haven't circled yet. So this one's less than 4, that one's less than 4. Okay, so that would be almost all of them. So I have 5 out of 6 there, right? And again, if you want to do the formula, it would be the even ones are 3/6. The less than 4 would be 1, 2, 3. It'd also be 3/6. But then you'd have to subtract off the overlap that got counted twice. So in that case, the one that got counted twice, I think, would be this one. So you'd have to minus off that 1/6, and you get the same answer of 5/6, which is an okay way to do it. But I don't know. For me personally, I like to just do the do like what makes sense. Just list them out and then circle the ones that make sense. So same thing on this last one, prime or odd. All right, so prime numbers, remember, are numbers. The only two factors are the number itself and 1. So it has exactly 2 factors is another way to say that. So if I look at my possibilities here, let's start with the odd because that's pretty straightforward. So our odd ones are these ones. Okay, and then we have to see like any of the ones we didn't circle, are those ones happen to be prime. 4 is definitely not because you can do 2 times 2. 6 is not prime because you can do 2 times 3 in addition to 1 times 6. So the other one that is prime is 2 because it only has 2 factors, 1 and 2. Okay, so our prime numbers are the ones that are circled. No, prime or odd. 1's actually not prime, but it's odd. So those are prime or odd, so that's 4 out of 6 or 2/3. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.